Hello and a big welcome to Ruth Fitness. My name is Ruth, personal trainer and fitness instructor. Today I'm going to be showing you one of the best workout for your chest with weight, alright? So you will need a barbell loaded up. If you haven't got a barbell, you can use some dumbbells, and the way you're holding those dumbbells is very similar to how you would hold a barbell for today's workout. So only one exercise I'm gonna be demonstrating is called the chest press, to get those chest really up and running so that your tummy looks small and defined. Are you ready? Alright, so we're gonna pick up the bar. I'm gonna come into a lying down position. So feet are hip width apart, hands are wide on the bar, outside your shoulders. So bring the bar down to meet chest and push it straight back up. So as you come down, your elbows should almost touch the floor, but not really touching the floor. And as you do that, brace the core and squeeze the bar. So down, meet chest, and imagine you're bending the bar as you come up, down and up. Just 3 more. Keeping the core brace. 2, 1. And up. And that's it. Thank you so much for joining me today. My name is Ruth from Ruth Fitness, and that's actually one of the best workout you can do for those chests.